Hi everybody, so I'm back again with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup look. I'm gonna do a makeup look. Oh, sorry, I need to put my yeah, just needed to put my ring light on. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm gonna do a makeup look for people that don't like too much of a bright eyeshadow look. I'm gonna do it toned down today. It's just gonna be a simple look. To where, it's a wearable look that hasn't got much on, like the makeup's not, it doesn't look like you're wearing too much makeup basically. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. It does look like I've maybe got a little bit of eyeliner on, but I don't. I've taken on my makeup off to do, now doing this makeup look. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to use my rainbow palette, I think, again. I was going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette, but if I do or not, I don't know. But I'm going to start off with the neutral tones in this palette. So I've shown this palette quite a few times. So today I think I'm going to use obviously this one. Um, Maybe, I don't know. I'll start off with this one and see how I get on. So I'm going to take this brush, but first I'm going to put a little bit of my Peel Away's base. So anybody new to my channel, once again I'm using Peel Away's base. Yesterday's video I put quite a bit on, but I don't feel like I need a lot on today. So I'm just putting a little bit on my eyes. Just maybe gonna take a little bit more. A little bit more on this eye. So I do quite a lot of colourful eye makeup looks, and I thought not everybody likes bright eyeshadow, so that's why I thought it would be a good idea to show another makeup look that's not too bright and it's just a nice wearable eye makeup. So that's that. Now I am going to try and find the lid for this. Okay, I'll do that in a bit. I can't find it right now. So now what I'm gonna do is take that brush that I'd shown I was gonna use for this eyeshadow. I'm gonna take the colour O2 Nude Orange, place that on my lid. And then maybe a little bit in the brow bone. Sort of in up a little bit towards the brow bone and in between the crease. So just like that. So this makeup tutorial is going to be a quick makeup tutorial. Oops, by accidentally put that colour too far up. I put it by accident in the brow bone. I only wanted it a little bit in that area. And then I'm going to take I might have to use my finger for the white and the brow bone for a bit of highlight because I only brought one brush in. By mistake, so that. And then take a little bit more. Now what I'm gonna do is take the brush I used for the brown, for the nude colour, the nude orange, and go a little bit more into the crease. Like that. Just to blend it a little bit more. Like that. And then I'm gonna take it underneath the waterline. Like that. Now I'm gonna close that palette, and then I am going to now take my 4D mascara. So just this one, I don't know if it's showing. 4D. I've shown it in videos. I think I showed it in a video when I was doing my video on mascaras. I've shown it in that video yesterday. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking this black 4D mascara, long lash, just like that. And then I'm going to take this gold lipstick I've got, neutral lipstick. Like that. Trying to put the lid on the wrong way. I'm going to take a little bit of this gloss. It looks pink, but it only goes on quite light. It's more glossy, I'd say, more than pink. Oops, I put a bit too much on there. Like that. Now I am going to take my blush palette open it up, and then I'm going to grab, if I can find it. Oh. So I'm going to take this big fluffy brush. Again, these brushes, by the way, with the pink ends, I'll show more of these brushes in a video from P. Louise, P. Louise company. Yeah. So, right, anyway, sorry. Right, I'm gonna take a very light peachy colour. I'm gonna go very steady with this. Because I want it to show, but not too bright. I'm gonna put a little bit into the forehead, down the nose, and I've done some on the cheeks and a little bit on the chin. And that is my makeup